Hey, what up everyone, it's your boy ArmadilloTek back again with a new freaking video, and today we have the Vanguard series case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now this is by ArmadilloTek, and you can probably get them on Amazon.com, and I'll leave a little discount promo down on the bottom of the description, so go ahead and check that out. I believe it's like 40% off if you order right now. Anyway, so I'm looking for like one of the most heavy dutyest phones, cases available on the market right now. So I came across this one. I've heard a lot of great things about them. So this is probably going to go on my brother-in-law's Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let me just go ahead and get this phone over here. Now about this case, people, now you have two pieces. This is going to go in front of the device to protect the display, and this is going to go on the back. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of plastic on this case, but it's not bulky at all. Now all the plastic is on the back. It's very thick, and you do have the grip protection over here. You have your your cutout for your Galaxy Note 10 Plus pen, your speaker grill, a dust cover for your USB Type-C port. You have a microphone cutout over here. Up on top you do have a speaker port and your microphone cutout over again up on top. So let's see how, there's a few things I want to that's going to make me either keep this case or choose something else. Number one, how well does it protect the front display? Number two, how well does it feel in the hand? Is it going to slip out my hands? Number three, how do these buttons feel? And do I have to press down really hard to actually power on the device, change the volume settings, things like that. Overall, I do love the case. The kickstand is very easy to flip open. Like I said, I have some short nails, so I appreciate them actually designing this pretty good for people with short nails. This is one gorgeous device. All right, so so that's about it. So let me just go ahead and snap this on again, and let's see.
Voices. Samsung setup.
Okay, nice. Everything is snapping in place, and this is exactly what I wanted. Check out that that lip protection up on top. That's a ton of lip protection up on the top and up on the bottom. And over here, the dust port. Let me see how well it actually fits. Fits in pretty good. So if you have short fingernails, just take your nails and just open it up like so. So that's good. For the S Pen, okay, nice. Now, like I said, I do have short nails, and if I could actually, pull out the S Pen, then everything is good. You shouldn't have any issues. Up on top, you do have a speaker grill. You have a microphone port, and up on back, you do have this. This is perhaps one of the most protective camera bumps I've ever seen on a smartphone. The resivity, or the height of this camera bump, is probably the highest I've ever seen on a smartphone case. So kudos to ArmadilloTek on that.
Let's go. Turned off.
Okay, so the buttons are very clicky, so that's no issues whatsoever. And so far, I'm liking this case. So everything else, the kickstand and everything, even though I have short nails, it's pretty easy to pop open. Snaps in pretty good. Feels really good in the hands. It's not heavy at all. Like I thought it would actually add some extra bulk to it, some extra heaviness to it, but it feels really good in the hands. Based on everything I've seen, this is everything I could probably ask for when it comes to protection on your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this is ArmadilloTek signing out with the Vanguard series case for the Armadillo for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. I do have some extra cases I'll be reviewing as well. Anyways, so this is definitely a win. Let me just pop open that kickstand one more time and just leave it like that. Beautiful. All right, everyone. So it's ArmadilloTek signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace.